Hi, my name's Matthew Kennedy, and I've been lucky enough to be CEO at Bowls Australia for the last 5 months, and it's great to be here at Club Helensvale during the Australian Open and to see the construction of this MakMax canopy right behind us. Bowls Australia works with all of its sponsors really closely, and without them we wouldn't be able to put on great events like the Australian Open. Having long-term partners like MakMax enables us to work together to design the needs and structures for all types of clubs of a range of sizes right throughout all states of Australia. MakMax has been the preferred supplier of canopy structures for Bowls Australia since 2011, and over that time they've really developed a great understanding of grassroots bowls and their needs from the community level all the way up. At the club level, MakMax has worked with some of our premier clubs, including the great hosts of the Bowls Premier League, Moama Bowling Club and Club Pine Rivers. We're here today at the invitation of MakMax to see the canopy construction here at Club Helensvale, which is one of our Australian Open host clubs. Being here at Helensvale and seeing this canopy going up, we're sure that Club Helensvale, with the support of the MakMax canopy, is going to continue to go from strength to strength.